Smart Fill tool is an awesome tool in CorelDRAW. So it is used to create objects from overlapping areas and apply a fill to those objects. So anywhere you see you form an overlap, so like this tool is work of Smart Fill tool. So let's dive in for more explanation. So you can decide to create a fill in between these shapes. So let's dive in. Look at it's beneath in the interactive fill tool. So once you press it down, press on that. So here it is, Smart Fill tool. So you click on it. So by default, you can specify more information. You can check the length and how to use it. So that's been explained. So to dive in, you can change the color here. So let me decide to use my own brown color. Change it to yeah. So let's just leave it by default. Let's leave the color by default. So here it is. If you click on this place to give it a color fill, click on this to give it a fill. Anywhere the object overlap, you can create a fill there. So here, let's create a fill there. Let's create a fill there. So you can remove the fill. And so it's hold down shift. And see it here it is. Here it is. No shift, separate it. Okay. You've gotten an object in between the overlapping areas. So let's make it more complex. Take it inside the object. So move it here. Let's move this one here too. Oh, from that you can delete these ones. Come back to it. So here it is. You can create another awesome and you repeat. This was created using this tool. So so click on the tool, Smart Fill tool. When you decide to create a fill here, decide to create a fill here. And decide to create a fill between them. You can create a fill between here, here, and this is how we got this. You can change the color after picking the shape. You drag it out. Decide to change the color here using the attribute. Let's use attribute eyedropper. So click on this, copy it here. Select attributes and click on this one. Click on this. So here it is. And this is how we got it. Once you have created an overlap between two objects, so where they overlap, you can create an object using the Smart Fill tool, and that is work, just as we did here. See you in the next video. Welcome. You're welcome.